Hello, welcome to the stream. Hi guys. I've changed some stuff up. What I've actually done is you can now, if you are on Twitch, this doesn't work on YouTube sadly, this works on Twitch. What you can do is you can try and click on the tomato on the top right and send stickers, animations, memes and so on onto my screen. I will hear them, you will see them, it's just there. So you can try that out. I stream starting very soon, and yeah, enjoy. Okay, I would say let's get this stream up and running, shall we? Yeah, I mean, why not? Yeah. Okay. So, let's get all of this running. You guys can hear me, you guys can see everything. So, I think it's time. Welcome. New overlay. From now on, you can actually send stuff over. So that's good to know, I think. Yeah. I can actually try something with you real quick. But I don't think I can do that. No, it doesn't seem like it. No, sorry. Can't do that. It would have been nice. It definitely would have been nice if I was able to do that, but I'm not, sadly. You can now also see my follower goal on the top right on Twitch. Yeah, I'd be very happy if we were able to reach this goal, and yeah, that would really be nice if we were just able to reach that. So yeah, I'll just quickly send something to show you how the new chat works. But yeah, as you can see, there's like a little. You can now see chat across all platforms, so Twitch and YouTube in this case. Maybe yeah, and I'm actually trying to get 50 followers on Twitch to be a Twitch partner. And if I'm able to be a Twitch partner, I'm actually able to funny enough, I'm then actually able to just add, you know, channel points that you guys can earn and spend and all of that. So that's quite cool, I think. So yeah, so definitely watch out until when I get some more followers, which is why I have the goal set up. It's not the full goal, but smaller goals are also goals, I think. So yeah, that's just what I have been up to and all of that. So let's drive, shall we? I'm actually brand new to Descenders on PC. I am good on Descenders mobile, but definitely not good on Descenders PC. Like, I've played this game like today once, not on the first stream today, but I've played it today. yeah, that's round about everything I've done on Descender's PC ever. No. So, yeah, you know what I mean. So don't expect too much from me today. I'm new to this. I still try to drive as much and as good as I can, but oh well. I'm also not quite sure why my reputation isn't saving, but another story. Probably because Xbox thinks he's funny. Oh yeah, let's take kinetic. Okay. Without letting go of acceleration. It's a sponsored track. If I crash, it'd be really bad. But I mean, it's an extra life. And I mean, this doesn't look... Oh god. This doesn't look too bad, I was trying to say. But... Oh, rock. Yeah, let's go. Nice. There is Xbox. Let's go this. Go there. Okay. Let's see what we get. I'm actually not sure if this is copyrighted. I hope it's not. It'd be really bad if it was. But I don't think it is. I don't think it is. I mean, why would they use copyrighted music in a game like Descenders? I mean, theoretically speaking, do they have like a streamer mode or something? Nope, they don't. Do they? Okay, so they were pretty good right now. Oh god. Said that too early? I was a bit too slow, I think. Can you like stop saying hey every single millisecond or something? Not sure. Do whatever you want. Okay, so that's not how you do a 360 then. Alright, buddy. Let's go here. That's easy to get on top speed, is it? Well, of course we're gonna slow down now, but that's, well, to expect as we were going uphill and in a corner. So that's fine. I think we can get it. If this wasn't so non-steep, but oh well. Oh god, rock! Let's try this again. Like this. I think this is probably gonna give us a better chance of completing that. I think we're gonna complete it anyway. No, because that's just a near miss. Oh man, we were 3. Sure. Let's go to the end boss, shall we? So I'm gonna just quickly stand still here. Okay. Let's try, I guess. I've actually learned that you can do that, which is quite funny. And gives you a reputation, so that's quite nice, is it? Beautiful. Oh god. Yeah, this is not gonna go well, is it? Hoppa. Ouch. Of course. Subtract. Backflip as well. Sure. Yeah, yes. No. Yeah, we're dead. We're so dead. I mean, yeah, I'm new to Descenders, but still, I should be able to complete this. Yes. Let's go. Okay. Okay, well, I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. Ouch. Oh, come on. I looked away for like 1 millisecond. Damn! Why is this dude so quick, man? Oh, oh. Okay. Not too bad. Whoops. Oh, he told me almost. Okay, you know what? Bam. Get my RP real quick. Nice. Ow. Damn, how much is going on here? I didn't know there were still so many people playing Descenders, I guess. But, oh well, sure. Wow! What is this? Okay, I'm not gonna write that. Oh. Not gonna write this as the first one. I think it's smaller turrets up there. Oh my bad. Break. Get up. Nope. This can't be a... Okay, this is the path. Oh wait, no, okay, we have to have a little bit of speed. Not a lot, but a little tiny bit of speed. Up. Almost too much. Ouch. I think also the second path there was. Okay, nope. Okay, let's go this for this path. Okay, a little bit. Isn't that map a little bit large, or is it just me? Okay, stop. Okay. Good, we're good. Nope, we aren't. I've actually thought about it, if I should make a Descenders map with you in the... I wasn't sure about that, honestly. So, I mean, we couldn't...
in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Okay. Okay. Fade the music out. Nice. Okay. So what we're gonna do is give me a second. I'm looking for something. What? Where is it? I can't find it. Wait, it's here. Okay. Okay. So, there you go. Perfect. From now on, you can splash tomatoes again. So, just so you know. Oh my god. Okay, we're good. Well, follow user has left the experience. That's not good. I am not able to find the user I'm looking for. Weird. I'm not able to find it. Huh. Weird for sure. Yeah, because like yeah, he's close you. Okay. There you go. We got it. Okay, that works, I mean. Oh god. This looks horrible already. Of course.
They are stupid to think they will win.
Yeah. Okay, good to know.
Why'd you let that happen?
Yeah, I don't know why I did that. But oh well. Where is he again?
Хорошо, you got him.
Okay. Okay, he's nowhere here. But he isn't here as well, is he? No, he ain't, okay. I'm just making sure he's not hiding somewhere. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. Crazy shit. Oh no, where is he hiding again? Oh, why is it?
Wow, you blew his brains out. Nice.
Okay. He's probably hiding somewhere ready to snipe me, is he? Yeah, he is. Okay. Yeah, very realistic.
Wow, you blew his brains out. Nice.
What is this even here? What the heck? What? Okay. This is probably the worst weapon they've given me in a while. But hey, sure. Ready to be killed. Oh yeah, I am. Oh no, I'm not. Nice. Okay, so nothing is happening, alright. Great. What? I'm not gonna ask. Sorry. That's crazy. How is he shooting here? What? Yeah, he's... Okay.
Wow, you blew his brains out. Nice.
Oh, come on. I'm actually interested where he's gonna spawn himself next. This weapon is so trash, oh my god.
Unbelievable. You lost a level.
Yeah, for sure. Probably gonna appear right in front of me, see. Oh yeah, for sure. Makes total sense, yeah, of course. Oh my, okay, what is this? What weapon is he even using? Okay. I mean, yeah, it's obvious that he's having a little bit more speed than I am, but and can jump a tad bit higher. But no matter what I say, it's never gonna be correct, is it? Okay.
Wow, you blew his brains out. Nice.
Okay. Oh, how am I supposed to 1 second. Oh well. Okay, let's go. Let's take the scissors. Stardust, possibly? No. Okay. No Stardust. This looks nice, I guess. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yes, I do hear that. Oh god. And now he's... wait until he finds global emotes. Wait until he finds them. I'm just... Oh no. Oh. Thanks for following, I guess. That's nice. Which means all of my poor little widgets should update sooner or later. Yep, they do. Nice. That's cool. What did you send in the chat? That's like every single emote. Now, on this tomato... Oh no. Good lord. On this tomato thing... Oh my god. Why did it? By the way, I can... I guess I can show you something. Try that. You can talk to me then, if you do that. Just a slight little tip. You can run that with TTS. It's like literally, basically, that. That's about. That's the command to use TTS. But try global emotes on the tomato thing. Oh my god. What is this? Bled what? Oh no. Oh no. Well, I guess try global emotes if you're really funny. They're the worst, by the way. Oh, Stardust. I'm just happy you haven't used them until now. Like I can try to show you. Wait, I'll pull my stream up. One sec. Yes. Okay. Here it is. There you go. What you can try and do is like if you find this and go here, you can do a lot more. Like those are a lot worse. Especially indoors, by the way. Yeah, just so you know them. You're probably gonna jump scare me with them anyway, sooner or later. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, at least I'm not dead. That's one good thing. Go into your house, buddy. Ow. I can try and do. What's this? I mean, I guess it works. Okay. Oh my. How did I just trip over them twice? And I don't think you can heal in the outdoors, can you? I think that was a stupid mistake. Can you go in there now? It's starting to get annoying. Yeah, go in there. Right there, yeah, go in there. Nice. Thank you. Just watching out. Okay, nice. Thanks. I think we're good. I think we're good. Yeah, he's getting out of his little house now. So we have enough time. Okay. Let's go. New shears. That's good. Oh, come on. Okay, that was it for that run. Again. Okay, we're good. Nope. Perfect. Okay, let's try this again. I mean, if you want to join me, you can, I guess. That's not a problem. Okay. We're good. We're good. Somehow. Okay, got one pedal. Let's check what's in here. Just a bit money. That's fine, actually. New shears. High ground keeper. Why did you do that, Serge? Like, why? actually, who's on your side? Okay, we're good. Stupid mandrake. Get in here. Okay. Now we're good. We're good. We're good. Let's go another lotus petal, I guess. Thank you. That's 2 of them. We need 8. So let's hope we get up to 8 in time. But I mean, we're good, I guess. Check behind us, no, we're good. We're good. Groundkeeper. I mean, I'm hearing him somewhere. So that's a monument, okay. Oh, search. This is not good timing. But I guess why not? Whoops. I'm probably more worried about them. What? Okay, we're good. Knobs. And watch from here. Really, L splash. I think we're actually good. I think there's no monument behind us. I mean, of course you can never be sure about it. I don't think there is. I actually don't think there is. I mean, until now at least, nothing is actively following us. I mean, that's what we want, but oh well. I don't think we have a monument. I'm not sure. There might be one over there. Of course, you can never know. But I actually don't think there is. If I'm honest. Because if there was, it probably would have been visible until now. Okay. No monument there. Still no monument. And I'm just trying honestly to beat the outdoors. Like, this is my 3rd time. I've beaten it 2 times. Had like 5 attempts. Hi. Yeah, so I had like 5 attempts to beat it, and I did it like 2 times. Of course, I died more often at the beginning because I didn't know like what was the entity. The update was brand new. I didn't know where to go, what to do in case of a specific entity. So it's like, yeah, of course, I'm making progress quicker now than before. But like, that should be pretty clear. So, yeah. So that's honestly just what I'm up to. And I mean, Surge is coming right now, and I think we're actually not too far away from the ice dog chase. From what I... So like the ice dog... More... So like the ice dog chase is, I think, 1,200 meters roundabout. And I don't know what we're at. Probably a bit less. Oh no, god. We're close. We're close to it. I'll just quickly try that. Are we good? Is Groundkeeper gone? I mean, he's far away, so we should be good. Come on. Oh, nice, we're good. They're like, where's the exit? That's the main question right now. So yeah, look, 1,800. So we aren't that. That was diabolical, actually. What the heck? Okay, we're good. Monument, no. 1,775. Nice. I think the next one might be Ice Dog. Not quite sure, but it just feels like it is. If you know what I mean. Key. But I mean, you don't need the key. We have like 2 lotus petals. We need 8. Like, you're not gonna be able to get them in time. That's obvious. But I knew that from the beginning anyway. Like, I've never got nearly enough. If you know what I mean. Like, how are you supposed to get like 8 lotus petals until like a little bit after the chase? There's like this guy, and you can like give him your lotus petal. Stardust? No. You can like give him your lotus petals, and he will give you like a lotus flower, and you can use that flower to respawn. So that's quite cool, yeah, sure. But like, I don't know how you're supposed to get that much in like 50 rooms or so, when it only generates like once every 2 gazillion goddamn years. So, oh well. 3, 2, 1. Any errors I could laugh on? No, actually not. That's quite nice. Okay, get out. Are we good? Yes. Turn around, just to be safe. Are we good? Yes. Oh. Nope. Like, that's for sure the monument. Because, like, there has to be one monument up until the ice dog chase. And we've had 0. So it just can't quite be correct. It's like one of them has to be the monument. So I'm just trying to figure out no, damn it. Should have seen it coming. Like, I'm just trying to figure out which one that is in time. So I can, you know, look away. Okay, guys. Ice dog. Focus. I'm gonna just turn around, just to be safe. And I'm gonna quickly pause TTS. I'm gonna pause TTS. I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry. I'm gonna pause TTS, however, because I wanna be 100% focused during the chase. We good? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a bit loud. Whoops. I'm sorry, guys. Look at that in the first time. I'm sorry, but I can't really change it now that quickly. It would take a while to change, and we don't have that time, if I'm brutally honest with you. Left, right, left. I mean, until now we're doing pretty good, right? I think we're good. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. Let's go. Yeah, we did it. Nice. Just make sure there are no snares. Okay. Nice. Now I can change the volume back down. Thank you, by the way, Mr. Groundkeeper. Thank you for letting me live, I guess. Thanks, and goodbye. Okay, we're good. How many meters do we have left? 1,150. And I believe at 600... Didn't you just go... And I believe at around about 600... What? What was I supposed to do, man? What the What was I... Oh my god. Like, honestly, what was I supposed to do? I had the mandrake. I'm sorry, Mr. Groundkeeper, dude. Oh my god. This is so annoying. I mean, what we could actually do. Okay, now you guys can hear me. However, you can't see my screen, hopefully. Now, just for you, TTS is back on. Roblox development. Roblox development. Okay, look, you guys now have the chat in here as well. Nice. As well as, you guys can get this. You guys can get this one as well. And, yes. Okay, now you can splash tomatoes on here as well. And the final thing I'm gonna allow you to do on here. Whoop, nope. I'm sorry. Stream isn't ending. I'm sorry. I messed up. I imported the wrong one. Okay, so I guess I wasn't clear. Beautiful. you guys get the alerts as well. Okay, now I'm gonna just quickly test something. I'm gonna just quickly verify actually that the alerts are working. Work.
LetsManuel_live is a legend.
Let's like put it around about here. Okay, and now I should be able to, for example, do this one. Do that. And that. Nice. All of those are working now, as you can see. What I can also do actually, 1 second. I'm trying to find it. Give me a second, I'm sorry. Where is it? Come on. It should. I mean, theoretically speaking, it should be somewhere here. I actually can't find it right now. Oops. That's not what I was planning on trying to do. But sure, I guess. I guess it's fine. In case you don't know what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to change the name of the goal that I've set. Maybe here. I honestly don't know where it is. Here. Okay, found it. Okay, at least that looks nice now. Okay, music. That should be fine. Okay. I mean, you can see all of that. Okay, should be good. Okay, here you are. So now let's take a look at what the testers want. Okay. I think we're good. Yeah, I think we are. Okay. I mean, the web is pretty much finished, honestly. Yeah, I think the web is finished. So what we're gonna do is what could we add? I kind of don't want to add manage company right now, but I feel like I have to. Like we had this research thing. We could do contracts. Like this. I think that's good. I think that's actually good. I mean, theoretically, we could just keep it like that and it would be fine. Yeah, let's do that. Now, however, we have to fix the styling again. Looks nice. That seems correct. Uh, that looks good, I guess. This looks nice. I actually quickly have to look something up. Specifically, yeah, no, that doesn't work, buddy. Do I need like rich text enabled? Oh. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. Okay. 1 second. I will try to find it. Yeah, I think that's not that bad. This looks good. So then, what we're gonna do is we're gonna in server we're just gonna no, actually let's do it a bit differently. Replicate storage. No, let's do that in server storage. Let's make a new folder and call it configuration and add a number value and call this game dash var, and then add a string value and call this game dash text dash version. Okay, so let's do local version equals game get service server storage dot configuration dot game dot value. And what we're gonna store right here is player.gameVar.value. Basically, when a player joins, we really just want to create a new number value. Game version, and basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna store game version in here. I'm just gonna store game version in here, and when the player joins, so we're gonna do all of that, yeah. And then right here, if data and data 12, then if version equals data 12, then we do nothing. Else something new has happened. Basically, the player is in the new version. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a local script display. So this is actually quite simple because in replicate storage we're gonna add a remote event show Thanks for following, dude. Thanks. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much, dude. So, we do this and script.parent. Text button, mouse button, one click, connect function. We really only have to hide it because the rest is server. So what you can do here is gamer repeat storage dot show changelog fire client player. And if we do not have data 12, the player is new on that version. If everything goes correct. So let's set this to my game is like you build a rocket, fly to space, and unlock better rocket parts. So that's roundabout what the game is. It's a bit, if you know it, maybe Kerbal Space Program, if you know about that. Yeah, that's kinda the game, actually. And yeah. So that's what the game is about, actually. Yeah. So then let's hide that. Theoretically, if we join, it should not show up, probably. I mean, it shouldn't show up. I mean, why should it show up, actually? So that's fine. Okay, I mean, okay, yeah. Now it doesn't show up. I mean, I can still build a rocket, I guess. Like, that's not the issue. Okay, all of that works. Now I'm just gonna load it in. Okay, go. Yeah, it's a cool gameplay loop. It's just quite hard to make that it like looks nice. Like that's the biggest issue I have right now, actually. I mean, it's one part to make it work, basically, but to make it not look like absolute crap. Yeah, I mean, I scripted it with my friend, but yeah, I did most of the work, yeah. So it's like, yeah, like this is basically how it looks. I can go a bit higher up. Yeah, like this is basically how space looks in the game. But it's quite nice. Like the main issue right now is that this thing here is bugged on some devices. I don't know why it is, but it is bugged. Because of a Roblox beta, probably. I mean, he's right here, but he's AFK, so I'm just currently doing all of the work myself, yeah. So, I mean, I'm working on the game since like probably like I don't know, May 2024, probably. Well, I'm working on the game for quite a while now, but at least I can release this. Oh, I mean, it's here, I guess. I mean, the changelog is here, I guess, so that works. Okay. Yeah, I think we can do that. I think that's fine. A mobile game, spaceflight simulator, or what type of game was it? It'd actually be interesting right now, cause like I only really know like one other game that has that, and that's Spaceflight Simulator. What are we talking about? Yeah, yep. Most likely Spaceflight Simulator. It's the most known one out there for that type of game. Okay, the game version and like the changelog stuff and all of that works now, so that's good. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is probably I'm gonna have like a million disabled server scripts because I always tried to do something and it failed and then I didn't do something. But like, yeah, it's not here. Well, that doesn't make it any better. It means I actually have to find it, which I wasn't planning on doing. But yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I can actually. It's probably in one of those. Theoretically. I can look here. Here it is. We don't need those. I mean, we can actually look at all of the debug prints. Yeah, we can remove them. I mean, they're quite annoying anyway. Okay, I think that's good. Nice. I could completely disable them, but that's a risky thing on its own, and I don't wanna mess the game up. Okay. So another issue we had was on private servers here, because there are like not nearly enough commands. So like, yeah. Yeah, I think I'm duplicate shutdown. So that would be change time and change time server. And it's actually quite funny because that is the script, like the admin panel system that Grow a Garden used, if I'm not completely wrong. Which I think is, yeah, it's quite funny. It's quite funny. Okay, so type number, name. The game is out yet, yeah it is, but it's quite buggy in the current public version, and we have like a few beta testers that have access to the game's newest update, so that's what I'm doing right here. But on September 6th, it's gonna get out this update and like deliver all of the new features and all of that stuff. So yeah.
Daniel Switch 321 is a legend.
Hi Dan. So yeah, that's basically what we're doing. The game should start at daytime actually. I don't know why it. I actually don't know why it doesn't do that. I mean, theoretically, I could change it here, but it's not that bad. I mean, I could do the boring way. Like this. Then it starts at day. So I can do that, yeah. No, it starts at day. Guaranteed. Before it actually was random, it had like a small chance to start at day, but now it's guaranteed. I mean, it's not bad if it's guaranteed actually. Share some server. Yeah, that's maybe not let's take a look at this. Okay, so I can literally just do that, okay. So number time. And then we can return here is changed time to and then pass. Yeah, of course it can't work now. Change time. Could work, but it's probably not gonna like that a lot. If I'm honest. So let's just keep it like it was before. I mean, I can. So, yeah, it's unknown. It's an unknown global. I mean, it's annoying. Yeah, I guess so. Okay. So now I'm just actually gonna call that number as well, just to be safe. If number, theoretically speaking, it's really just game dot lightning dot clock time equals number. If I'm not completely wrong, should work. I mean, it's theoretically doing everything. I'm actually just gonna pull up the documentation for CMDR real quick. I mean, why not? Here, it's there. So, types. Yeah, we have numbers. And like, I've basically done all of that before. Because like, it would be quite annoying to do that now. Like, you see, it can do a lot. It can definitely do a lot. So, that's quite funny, yeah. I could actually do that right now. Because that's actually one of the most annoying things. So that would be CMDR, set height lost on focus. Yeah, that was. Theoretically that should work. Yeah, it does. Nice. Okay, but like we have to limit that. This is what I'm currently looking for actually. Because like the documentation is actually quite bad. It's like a really bad documentation. Took me like a few hours to set it up. No, that's fine. That's actually fine. We can. I mean, we can try if it works. Yeah, why not? Let's try it. Okay. F2. Okay, here we are. Will it register the command? No, it won't. Just to make sure it's not me. Okay, it registered not a single command. So that's one thing you have to notice. I'm just interested in why. Okay. So it's actually probably a simple registration thing. Because I forgot to like put a file somewhere. It's basically always that. It's well. Do I have it here? Oh, I think that actually does look too bad. Yeah, because that's correct. That's correct right there. Okay. Yeah, I mean, just theoretically speaking. I'm just quickly checking. Yeah. Okay, so basically we do register all of those commands. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do register all of them. Because of this. So that would be change time, CT, and time. Change the server. Change the time for everyone. Group. Private server, yeah. Okay. It might work now. Because I'm just interested in why none of the commands got registered. Like, I understand, like, if a single one also doesn't get registered. Open panel. Yes, I have a feeling that it's actually not registering a single one. Is it? Yeah, no. Okay. So CMDR is actually not registering a single command. Like, the main thing is they shown studio? Or like actually game-wide? Which hopefully it isn't, but you never know. And I'm just gonna quickly start up Roblox and try it out in-game. Okay, there you go. Let's try it here. I mean, it's probably not gonna work on a public server. Because like, for public servers I have EXE anyway. Nope, no music. No, hell. Get out of here. So. 2. Okay, so like on the public server, it's literally not registering a single command. That's funny. Okay, let's go on my private server. Look at this. Time. Wait, let's go into the game. Time 20. Change time to 20. Yep, and it's changing the time. That's actually nice. Like, that's actually what I wanted. Like, time 12. No, whoop. And it's time 12. Time 0. And we're back. What if I were to do something like time 50? Okay, nice. So everything above 24 just sets it back. But something like time 12 is gonna work. Nice. So like a private server admin can then, no matter where he is basically, even if he's like in a flight mode, like even if he's like currently flying, like this, he can just always go here and go at like time 20, and the time instantly gets set to 20. Yeah, that's quite nice. Because now I can literally just like time 12 and it sets time to 12, time 20. Okay, nice. Okay, now that we know that this new command works, I'm actually thinking about what else I could add for commands. I mean, I'm not sure. Okay, no, it's stream's working anyway. Yeah, nice. Okay, everything's working. I just okay, well, we can change the time. I could try to make changing the weather, but that's probably not that easy. I can kick specific people anyway. I mean, I can try to change the weather. But like, what would you actually need changing the weather for, though? What I can. Well, yeah. Like, that's it. Yeah, I could probably do that. Wow, but I think I'd had to register a custom type. Let's try. So that would be change weather, as well as change weather server. If you want to, I could actually give you the full screen like this without the overlay, so now you can like see my actual full screen. Okay, so change weather. But it's probably better like this. Change the weather for everyone. That would be number. Weather type. One equals clear, 2 equals rain. Okay. Open weather server. So we'll like pass it through. If number equals 1, then game gets service replicated storage events whether firewall clients clear. Else if number equals 2, then like we said, yeah, 2 equals rain, so we just pass that. It's literally just rain. Invalid number. 13. Why? So theoretically that should work. Yeah, it's gonna work. I'm not gonna test it, but it's most likely gonna work anyway. Okay, so we've done that. I'm actually interested in specifically what's that? Well, that's this. No, I mean, I know actually quite a few people like around that age that make games. I mean, it's fun. I mean, why shouldn't you be making games? It's just that like there isn't that many people that say, oh yeah, I'm gonna like spend all that time and effort to make a game. But those who do say that, I don't know anyone that regrets it. I mean, I'll be honest. Like, yeah. Now I'm just trying to make it all look nice, and then we're done with that part. I mean, there isn't that much left for the update anyway, luckily. So that's good. I don't know if I like it. Maybe turn the intensity down a bit. Oops. Okay, no. I'm gonna just keep it like that. It should be fine. Okay. So we've done all of that. We've added change weather for private servers. Like, yeah, there isn't really that much to do. I'm more interested in where did I put that part? Oh no. Like around about here, I believe I put it. Oh no. Oh. No, that's for... yeah, that's for main menu. No, yeah, that's mission control. That's mission control. Now we need, company. Actually, where is it? Plugins. It's not here. Where did I actually have that plugin is the question. Or maybe I don't even have it on that device. That's easily possible as well. But I think it's it should be here somewhere. I probably deleted it. No, I actually didn't. Okay, nice. Save as local plugin. Now it should appear. Apparently it doesn't. Yeah, no, it doesn't appear. Oh, here it is. Okay, now it's starting up. Nice. It started. I mean, we do have x6, so yeah, it detects that. Nice. Okay, that's working. Settings. Okay. Filter announcement. Set it like to 120. No, don't filter them. Yeah. Yeah, top bar integration, yeah. 120 as well. Killing allowed, yeah. Maximum jump power, yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yes. Well, that looks quite nice actually. Access key F2 is actually fine, yeah. Theme is fine as well. I'll just call it like that. Nice. Applications. Anything new? What's updated 4 days ago? I mean, we can try it. App downloaded. Let's try it. I mean, if it's a good app, sure. Okay, let's see. I'm quite interested in what is happening. So apparently this is my client. Yeah, I don't think that is my client, but I don't think that is my... And I can't break it on such a level that quickly, if you know what I mean. Here, now it works. Okay. Excellent. Start it up. Comes the little light animation. Customization. Okay. What's this? Generate a theme. Okay. Light blue. I'm actually interested in what it's gonna... Okay, that's quite cool. Yeah. Light blue apple style. Yeah, no. Dark mode apple style. Send it. It looks bad, but better than before, if I'm honest. So dark mode apple style readable. But that's quite cool. Oh, look. That's actually cool. Dude, what? Didn't know you could do that. Oh, there. Dark mode, apple style, high contrast. It's probably a simple AI, is it? Yeah, but like, it's not readable in any way. Like, I'm sorry, but that's not readable. Like, how am I supposed to use that? So I'll have to Steam customization. Uninstall. It's app removed. Like, I know that needs an open API key. What's edX? Like, I have it installed, but it's like doing basically nothing. Fast load. Okay, let's try this one. Like, if you know anything I should like add to the game or to X6 or something like that, tell me. I'd be interested. Cause yeah, not quite sure on what to play around with. Like, that's normal X, is it? I think this looks basically the same. Like, I don't know. I pressed the button and it's that fast. I probably should be worried about it, but I'm just gonna pretend I'm not. Like, it's funny how you can like attach stuff. I mean, yeah, I guess you can send messages correctly. Okay, delete them. Oh, okay, so you can like reply to messages. That's cool. What if I reply to it again? What if I reply to this message? Okay, so it's a simple system, but it's a good one. Yeah, it's actually privacy shutdown. Okay. By the way, this is like the credit screen. Nothing special. Yeah, so like, okay, so the server shut down, but I can't be kicked because I'm in studio. Yeah, right. I mean, it's telling me it's opening faster than normal, but I personally did not notice any difference. but there probably will be a difference. Oh, so I can like, oh, that's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Um, yeah. Okay. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Okay. And then let's do QA tester. Like that. And they shouldn't actually be able to do a lot. That's pretty much all. Okay, so I can just do that. At least that. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Okay. All of that's working. Okay. Yeah. That's pretty much that. Just gonna quickly check something. Because I have a feeling about something, but I'm not quite sure, Here. Okay. So I'm not quite sure why that isn't working. Okay. Anyway, now in shop there was another issue. And that is actually under wait, no, that was the old shop. It's advanced shop. 3, 2, 1, load it in. Perfect. And set this Z index to this. Okay, so that won't work because Roblox is funny. So let's whoop. Now that is working. But, I mean, yeah, you are able to close the shop actually using the close button. So I actually don't really care about that. I mean, it's working, so anyway. Okay, menu, frame, management open. Here. What's management? Stock and contract or frame? Yeah. Management subject. Does stock control can be okay, it exists. Then actually what was the error then that makes no sense, does it? Here it is. Oh, it's mission control. Pick mission control. As well as management open 2. Oh. Okay. Yep, I can fix that. That shouldn't be too hard. It's not optimized, but it works. As well as pick mission control. Okay, no, that should work. Theoretically speaking, it should work. Yeah, works. Okay. Yeah, that is nice. And like 99% of them is server, but your... Why is that not found? I mean, that makes no sense for it not to be found. It's like a static element. And that static element is on the parts list, frame, main controller for parts, map handler. Here. That would be that. Let's optimize this a bit more. Like that. Okay, try it again. I'm just trying to get the console as nice and clean as possible in reality. Nice. But on a public server, even if I had, okay, now they're registered. Then I can actually try it. Change weather to rain. And look at that, it's raining. So that's cool. TV1, TV2, TV1, TV2. Yeah, so like I can make it rain if I want to. And then it says invalid number. Yeah, that's quite nice actually. I mean, it does its job pretty much perfectly, which is actually what we were trying to achieve. So yeah, that's quite nice. Yeah. At least that works. At least that works. Little firework. Okay, yeah, that's on the server. UI inline layout. Inline. That doesn't even exist. And it's like also not defined. It might be. Because of that. Yeah. Okay. Studio's now restarting. But that luckily is pretty quick. Okay. Now studio restarted successfully. Perfect. No, still happens. For some reason. I guess. Oh well, sure. Why not? I don't care, honestly. X6 is available. Plugin onboarding. Yeah, that's the broken plugin we had. That actually looks good. Like, let's just make sure there's pretty much nothing on the client. Like, yeah, we see like client is here. And that's actually round about it for client, is it? Yeah, that's quite nice. I'm proud of that. I'm proud of that. I'm proud of that. So publish that to Roblox. Okay, and try it to see if it works. Yeah, it should work. And I just really want. Okay, that's beautiful. 0 errors, 0 warnings. And like on the server, it can print whatever it wants. But like, that's nice. I just have to try and disable. Wow. Now I just have to try and disable all of that. Somehow. I don't know how. Okay, but like running top bar plus has to be easily disabled. Top bar. I mean, it has to be somewhere. But it's actually funny because I can't find it anywhere. Like, the issue is if it wants to, it can install itself in wherever it wants. Does make it. Wait, I could actually top bar. Found it. Nice. I literally just have welcome to build a rocket simulator in here. And test it. Okay, it didn't quite update that in time, probably. Down here. Okay. Okay, so apparently that is not willing to update. Like, is it somewhere else as well? Modify. Print. Welcome to build a rocket simulator. Like that. Like that. Like, apparently only one of them is actually doing something, if you know what I mean. Because like it's only printed once, so like if I just modify it everywhere, it's pretty much guaranteed to work, which is good. now it should guaranteed work. Let's see. Ooh, nice. A single debug print. Welcome to Build a Rocket Simulator. And what if I like casually build a rocket, clear, load, make it look a bit nicer, save, still empty, yes, go. Like I'm just trying to figure out if I still have some debug prints in plain sight, which hopefully I should not have. But you never know. But like as long as the console stays like this, it would be beautiful. 1.5 gigs of RAM. Seems fair to me. Taking off, not a single debug print. I can fast forward, no issue. Okay, so we get a singular debug print here. But this debug print is actually, fun fact, gonna fix itself once Roblox pushes this beta out to everyone. So like, yeah, then it's gonna do that. Oh, it's getting night, that's why. I was a bit confused why it was like getting dark, but of course, yeah, that makes sense. So let's actually just time 12. Look, now it didn't register them. So I think it's like as long as you're on a public server, it's like you have to kind of gamble for it to work. But honestly, that's completely fine, I think. Looks like on a public server, it's only me that can use it, and like I know that it might not work, which is why I have x6 in this game. Like, I can still do the exact same thing with x6 anyway. So like, this is really implemented for the private server owners. Like a little inspired by Emergency Hamburg. I thought it's quite a little fun fact. Okay, no fuel, and let's go down. It's literally dark. That's insane. I mean, theoretically, parachute. And now what I can do is I can go to utilities, time 12.5, 11, boop, and it's daytime. Okay, now I'm, look at that. But yeah, missions are broken as well. Manage company is literally not working. Settings should be working. Settings are working, in fact. Shop looks nice as well. I can enter a private server name, purchase it. Nice. Yeah, that's really, really good. I was able to. We have to disable inventory. Captures are fine. Like, captures are actually fine. Self view. Yeah, I guess it's fine as well. Party's actually good. Because what's actually quite funny, what we've implemented. Can you get out of CMDR? Thank you. You can see here, invite a friend and bar session will give you free XP. It's actually, if you invite a friend and that friend signs in or signs up to Roblox using that link, you'll actually both get XP, but the one who invites gets more. So that's quite cool. Now we just have to somehow fix the missions. So that's something to keep an eye on, definitely. Yeah. Okay, so basically to fix the missions, it's under mission control. That's really all I wrote there. It's not a lot, but it does the job. So okay, so like we implemented all of that. Personally, I think I should completely rewrite that, if I'm honest with you. Like, yeah, it works, but it's like client-sided. Like, it's client-sided and absolutely horrible code. Like, yeah, there's this detail thing here. Do this and that, exactly. Like, personally, there's this as well that we have to get working. But right now, let's focus on this. So let's like remove you. Add a scrolling frame. Like that. Background transparency 0. UI list layout. Put it in. Oh god. That looks horrible. Make it smaller. Like that. And then under UI list layout, horizontal alignment center. Yeah, like this. Yeah, this looks nice. This like actually looks nice. Yeah. Untitled mission. Should automatically scale. It does. Okay, so let's remove the local script. Call it a mission. Dash template and drag it. We can keep it. No, we can't. Do we? Theoretically, we can. Theoretically, we can keep it in there. The question is, do we want to do that? Now it's like, how do we render it all specifically? Do we make one script that monitors all of the buttons? Or do we like completely re-render the missions every single... Yeah, I think that's how we're gonna do that. So drag it out. And now what's also very important, visible false. Okay, now in here add a local script. Missions. Local RS game get service replicate storage. Local events equals RS. RS first child missions. If not events, then events equals RS wait for child missions. And yeah, that should work. So like that guarantees it, but doesn't quite take the performance. Okay, so let's local function render. And now what we need on the server, I mean the server should theoretically store our missions, if I'm not completely wrong. Do we have like a mission script or something? Mission server handler. This is absolutely horrific. Clear that. Game local RS equals game dot replicate storage. Local events equals RS dot missions. events. What we can do now is make some events. So we do events.request also event connect function. We check the player, local mission data folder equals instance.new. Yeah, I mean theoretically it should work. So basically what we're trying to do now is somehow like store the data about all of the missions basically. Now the thing is, server. Mission.value. Okay, so it's really just player.mission.value. Okay, that's good to know actually. Yeah, then we don't need the mission server handler at all. And here we just do game player slow player find first child, depending on how the server specifically calls it. Yeah. Like that's that. Now I actually quickly have to look something up. This is absolute crap. I mean it works. Doesn't make it any better, but it works. Which is why I actually have it like that. Here it's get property change signal. Get property change signal value. Okay, so you can just connect it into a function. Okay, good to know. Yeah. Okay. So like we define mission up here, but we overwrite the value here. That just makes it a little bit easier for us. So specifically what we're gonna do is make a table. Probably the best idea. And in there make another table that consists of the name. So fly 1000. No, make it like build your first rocket. And then give it the ID like mission 1. Like the ID mission 1. That should work. And now what we can do is this. Fly 1000 stats. Complete your first experiment. Flight 20,000 stats. Get to level 10. Somebody found it. Did not expect anyone to actually find the secret. Well, that's cool. Didn't expect anyone to find it this stream. That's nice to see. That's good. That's nice to see. Hi, how are you? Nice to see you in the stream. Thanks for following. It's nice to see. That's really nice. Huh? How are you? How are you? Build a rocket simulator. Build a rocket simulator. It's my game that updates on September 6th. So yeah, that's that. What I can actually do is 1 second. I'm gonna quickly try to do that. Here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can see the game. Sure, why not? Sure, why not? Sure, why not? So basically, like, that's the main part of the game. Wait, I'm gonna quickly. Here. Now you should see my screen completely unlimited. Yeah, you do. Okay, so like basically the player goes into like this web and then builds a little rocket. Basically, he can like customize it like with colors or color a specific part. He can also add text to his rocket. That's the main building part, and he can like always save the rocket, and if he needs to load it back in, as you can see here, the text isn't getting saved sadly, but the rest is. And then you can take off. They will ask for like a mission name. Like you can pretty much enter anything you want into here. Yeah, I'm a quickly fly. Here it is. Yeah, it's gonna fly now. And now you should also be able to see and send things again, like animations. You should be able to do that now. You absolutely are able to. Yep, answered that question. Okay. And like when you reach like a height of like 10,000 you can do an experiment, and like you see a calculation here, and you have to decide is it above or under 60. It's like a little mini game that you have to complete as many times as possible. So yeah, like that's basically the main gameplay loop actually. And I'm currently adding missions to it to make it more interesting. What I can actually try to do. Okay, now it's day. Like this is how it looks like during the day. So it's quite nice, Like that's the main game. And like up here, there actually is a tutorial. Wait, I can try to show you. Yeah, I've thought about the UI. But it's like, the shop is like that. Oh yeah, by the way, that's the main menu. Like, all the beta tests and all of that. So like, that's that. You can hop on a private server. It's like an advanced private server system and all of that. I thought about the UI, like this how the shop looks. But it's like, yeah, I would have to So yeah. Like, wait. Like, this is the tutorial. Yeah, the shop's nice. The shop is really nice, yeah. Just... I mean, it auto-triggers on New Year. Yeah. I am planning on remaking the entire UI. Like, you have a tutorial, it's quite long, but it exists. Yeah, the tutorial definitely needs a better UI. Yeah, that's for sure. But I'm just not... Okay. I did not expect the egg, but sure. Why not? Yeah. That thing, that panel there... What do you mean? Like, which part? Of the... Which part of it do you mean, like? Back in? Like, which one? Like, what do you mean? Like, do you mean like this, or what? Oh, rock. Well, pre-self-explanatory. Stream overlay. That's about all that is. So, yeah. Oh god, please no bomb. Boom. Yeah, it's quite funny. I can actually try to unlock more animations. But I've unlocked pretty much all animations that are like interesting. Wait, I can try to find the page to unlock more of them. Here. No, it's not that. Here it is. Here. Like, I haven't really enabled all of them. Like, I could enable Crunchy Cat as well. But I don't know if that's live. What do you do like with UI? I mean, I'm not saying no. I'm just like, what exactly? Like animations, yeah. Like just more interested in like explain it. And I mean, you can. Well, yeah, it is not the most interesting part of the game, that's for sure. But I'm just not sure what to like add to it, if you know what I mean. Like, yeah. I mean, the particles aren't that bad, they're quite realistic, but yeah, definitely needs more animations. I mean, the takeoffs is a lot better now than the old version of the game. I wonder what's loading. But like, yeah. I see. Yeah, I know what you mean. Definitely could need that. Yeah. I'm just I began working on the game like March 2024 probably. I can check. 1 second. No, that's Yeah, March or May 2024, yeah. Here. There you have it. March. But May was like the time when we really started to work on it, yeah. That's yeah. But like, yeah. March, May, round about that time, yeah. So, working on it quite a while. But, I mean, Dan has also helped with the game a lot, so it wasn't only me, to be specific. So I'm not the only one working on it. So that's for sure. Yeah. So that's that, yeah. I feel like I kind of do have to do the same thing on the server, do I? Yeah. I mean, we don't necessarily need them. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, we actually don't need them. I'm just gonna copy like that. Okay. And then we're gonna do a game dot players dot player edit connect function player. Put that into there. So basically, yeah, I mean, theoretically speaking, we don't need that. We much rather in the flight handler here, this thing. I mean, you can implement the logic into that. That's not a big problem. I can quickly try it. It should work if we just take a look at that. It's build a rocket, fly 1,000 studs. Okay, so like here. If owner find first child mission dot value 2 theoretically speaking, it should work. I mean... Okay. I can clean that up. We don't like nested if statements. Okay. Now that's like the main mission line. And you have right here. Yeah. So yeah, we do mission 2, mission 4, and mission 6. Okay, so let's do mission 4 and mission 6. I mean, it's now really just the boring part left of the update, which is sad, but well, you can't really change it. So, and 50,000 is mission 6. 50,000 is mission 6. Perfect. Okay, now, what else do we need? Quite many level type missions. Okay. So. I mean, like. Yeah, it should be fine here. Right here. Yeah, that should work. Let's actually fix that real quick. Just like that. Just to be safe, so that the Roblox doesn't do stupid stuff. So we have mission 4, no, mission 5 and 7. 5, and that would be level 10 and level 30. Level 10 and level 30. Okay, so that would be this. Yeah, then we just change the value up by 1. That should work, yeah. And then we have to okay, that's definitely not it. It's yeah. Yeah, here. Okay. So that would be here. If player mission value of finish your first experiment is mission 3, then player finds first child mission value. Perfect. That would be implemented as well. And now it's the question is, Maybe let's not make it this. Rather here. Like that. And rename it take off. Okay. Yeah, so that would be that. I mean, yeah. Now it's all about rendering. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go scripted parent dot yeah, it's this running frame. So for I object in I pairs script dot parent dot scrolling frame get children do if object dot is a UI list layout, then continue end object destroy. Okay, and then for I not actually sure. No clue how you write that. Like this? That was actually correct. Woo! So, if mission equals I, then else if mission larger than I. Okay, so basically, like, this is the current mission, right? So we do a scripted parent dot mission template clone. That would be local new mission button, new mission display thing. Sounds a bit nicer. So script template clone, genau. New mission display dot visible equals true. New mission display dot parent equals script dot parent dot scrolling frame. New mission display dot text equals missions I. Oh, that should work, right? Wait, no, it can't. It's well, yeah, we want that from missions. Yeah, let's go again for local specific mission info equals missions I, specific missions info 1. Okay. Yeah, that should actually work. If mission is larger than the specific one, then it's completed mission. Finish. Finish previous to unlock. Okay. Yeah, all of that should actually work. Yeah, that should work. Surprisingly easy. Okay. I just realized. Like, does it take semicolons? It does. And then I believe that I made a server-sided event. Apparently I didn't. Because, like, I have grand reward here. Replicated storage dot grant reward fire player like two maybe, and surprised that this actually worked. Honestly, actually surprised. Okay. PLR. Game gets a with replicated storage, grant reward. And further down, here to be specific. Did I actually not define? Okay. That's storage. Now RS works. And that would just literally be owner. Okay, so for 1000 height we grant a reward of 1. For 20,000 we grant a reward of 2, and for 50,000 we grant a reward of 3. Okay. And here are the final ones. Replicated storage. For reaching level 10 we grant a reward of 4. For reaching level 30 we grant a reward of 10. Shall we? Okay. I'm actually interested in where exactly I am handling the rewards, but honestly I don't even wanna know. Grand reward. I have no idea where exactly I'm handling this, but XP handler here. Yeah, we're doing that here. Okay. What is the issue here? Unknown global fuel. Then how about we literally just remove that? Perfect. And now, theoretically speaking, missions are not working, right? Because mission value L. Oh, okay. Missions are working, my bad. I mean, like, I really don't want to say, oh, missions are working. Oh, yeah, for sure, missions are working. I have no idea if they are working. I'm gonna be honest with you, I have no idea. They should work, however. They should work. I mean, why shouldn't they? Okay, let's try it. Mission control. Oh god. Reason? No reason. Isn't that great? Oh yeah, I know why. No, I don't. Actually, why doesn't that work? I mean, if I like make this visible, and I like take the mission template, put it into here, tap on visible, it's clearly working. Okay, you know what? Plugins. How do I erase your constraint? Perfect. Okay, now that should work. I'm just interested in why it's not working rather than anything else. Do I like maybe have to trigger render like for the first time. That might be it. I might have to trigger render once on its own for this thing to even like correctly start up. That might be it. No, it's not. That's great. Reason? No reason. Love to see it. Let's actually remove that. A little bit too risky. Because I actually want the errors to happen. If you know what I mean. Perfect. Attempted to index nil with number. Missions 20. Okay, so it was one of our safeguards stopping it all from happening. Okay, so it's not quite working, is it? It does not seem to be working correctly. So let's a little bit refactor all of it to work like that instead, which is not recommended, but I honestly don't care at this point. Let's actually remove you. Okay, try that. Like, you basically never know exactly what the issue is gonna be. You just have to like try to figure out what it could be. Is how I love to. Okay. Attempted to compare number to a nil. Line 34. Sure, I guess. Why though? Wait. 1 second. Oh, I see the issue. Maybe that helps. Theoretically speaking, it should. Okay. No errors. That's nice to see. Let's go. Okay, we have all of our missions here, as you can see. It's telling me takeoff. Okay, so I will build a rocket and take off. Now I should unlock the mission. Theoretically speaking. What I can actually do is trick the game a tad. Oh wait, no, I have to. We're still taking off, which means no actual bad Error. Yeah, see it? See how we got XP? That means the mission worked. Nice. Now yeah, it was fly 1,000 stats. Then it was do your first experiment. So let's quickly do that. We got this. And we unlocked the next one. Then it was fly 30,000 stats. Which we will get very soon. Now. Or it was like get level 10, I don't know. Or it was 50k. Now honestly no clue what it was. We can actually player GUI. Where is it? Not here. So it hasn't re-rendered. Bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Oh, one last tomato. Have a nice one. Oh, and a rock. Sure. I'll take both. I'll take a tomato and a rock. That's fine. Oh, not a rock. That's funny. Yeah, that's for sure. Did we get another rock? No, I don't think we did. I actually slightly hear it, actually. But no, I don't think we got one. No, I didn't. Okay. Okay, by the way, guys, you can run wave TTS and then whatever you want, and it's gonna be read out to me. So if you want like higher priority, in case I don't see your message, if you know what I mean, just so you know. I think that's important to know as well. Okay, now that should work. And theoretically speaking, our mission should be saved. The mission we're currently at. So it should be one-time reward. Let's see if that works. Get to level 10. Well, that's stupid, is it? Okay, so I have to level up to redo the code that basically checks if I'm at level 10. If you know what I mean. Yeah, that's stupid. I'm gonna fix that real quick. Let's actually just run it right there. Okay. Now that should work. And we might even be level 13. We might even be level 13 because of that. We might actually be, yeah. And I think that's level 13, is it? X is in the way. No, it's level 12. Number to instance. Okay, we will take a look at that. Oh, it's of course level dot value. Okay, now it should work. Level 13. Let's go. Right, that's level 13. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's level 13. Okay. Mission control. Fly 50,000 studs. So we definitely need like the biggest rocket. Like there you go. And yeah, save that. Okay. Just to make sure it works. Load it in. Beautiful. It's here. Ah. Okay. We'll click go there and actually manipulate it to check if it works in real time. Of course, the normal player is not gonna see that, but I think it's funny for us to see. So here you go. Okay, let's see. Actually, what I'm gonna do is the minute I hit 50 followers, I'm gonna try to get Twitch partner so that you guys have channel points and can do a lot more crazy stuff. Okay, let's see. 48,000, 49,000, 50,000. And it's instantly updated. Like, I'm sorry, how cool is that? How cool is that? Perfect, we've redone the mission system this stream as well. So, that would be it for this stream. I hope you really enjoyed the stream. I poured a lot of work into the stream, so I do, of course, hope you enjoyed the stream. And, yeah, that would be it for this stream, probably. I'm just gonna quickly get the stream ready to be ended, and then we will see. Goodbye.